Luxury cars are often seen as expensive to own, but some models prove that style and reliability can go hand in hand. In this video, we'll look at 12 luxury cars that never break down, vehicles you can buy once and drive for years without worry. 2017 Lexus ES 350. This sedan has built its reputation on comfort, refinement, and dependability. The 2017 model comes with a proven V6 engine that mechanics praise for its durability and smooth performance. Owners regularly report crossing 200,000 miles with little more than routine maintenance. On the road, it delivers a quiet, composed ride, perfect for long drives or city commuting. The interior feels upscale yet practical, with quality materials that stand the test of time. If there's a small drawback, it's that it isn't the sportiest option in its class. But for buyers who want true peace of mind in a luxury package, the ES 350 remains one of the most reliable sedans you can own. 2018 Lexus RX 350. This luxury SUV has been one of the most trusted names in its class for years, and the 2018 version shows exactly why. Powered by a strong and proven V6 engine, it delivers smooth acceleration and long-term dependability that mechanics often praise. Owners regularly push these SUVs well past 200,000 miles, making it one of the longest-lasting luxury vehicles on the road. On the highway, the RX 350 offers a quiet and comfortable ride, with suspension tuned more for refinement than sportiness. Inside, the cabin is lined with high-quality materials, supportive seats, and an intuitive infotainment system that still feels modern. Families love the generous space and safety features, which add to its reputation as a reliable everyday choice. If there's a drawback, it's that cargo space is slightly less than some rivals. But when it comes to luxury blended with durability, the RX 350 remains a benchmark SUV that continues to stand strong year after year. 2016 Acura TLX. This sedan blends Japanese engineering with luxury touches, creating a car that mechanics often point to as a safe bet for long-term ownership. The 2016 TLX came with either a 4-cylinder or a V6, both designed to deliver years of dependable performance. With proper care, many owners see these cars pass 200,000 miles without major issues, which is why the TLX has earned a reputation for reliability. On the road, it strikes a balance between comfort and sportiness. The steering feels precise, and the suspension smooths out rough pavement while keeping the ride controlled. Inside, the cabin is refined, with quality materials, comfortable seating, and tech features that were ahead of their time in 2016. It feels upscale but never overly complicated, which makes it easy to live with day after day. The only drawback is that its styling may not stand out as much as some European rivals. Still, for buyers who value peace of mind, low repair costs, and luxury that lasts, the TLX proves itself as a car that truly doesn't quit. 2015 Audi A6 3.0T. This luxury sedan combines German engineering with surprising durability. The 2015 A6, equipped with the 3.0T supercharged V6, is one of the few Audi models mechanics often recommend, thanks to its balance of performance and reliability. With proper care, this engine is known to go well past 150,000 miles while still delivering strong acceleration and smooth power. On the road, the A6 feels solid and composed, with precise steering and a suspension that balances comfort with sporty handling. It's the kind of car that can handle long highway trips just as easily as winding back roads. Inside, the cabin is everything you'd expect from a premium Audi. High-quality materials, a clean layout, and a driving position that feels both luxurious and driver-focused. If there's a drawback, it's that maintenance costs can be higher than Japanese rivals. But compared to other German luxury sedans of the same era, the A6 with the 3.0T engine has proven itself far more dependable, making it a smart choice for drivers who want both performance and long-term value. 2016 Lexus GX 460. This luxury SUV is built on a rugged body-on-frame platform, giving it the toughness of a truck while still delivering Lexus comfort. The 2016 GX 460 comes with a 4.6-liter V8 engine that has earned a reputation for being nearly unbreakable. Mechanics often point to this model as one of the most dependable luxury SUVs ever made, with many examples lasting 250,000 miles or more. On the road, the GX delivers a smooth, confident ride, and thanks to its off-road capabilities, it's just as comfortable on dirt trails as it is on city streets. Owners love the high driving position, the sense of security it provides, and the quiet cabin that isolates you from the outside world. The interior is spacious, with premium materials, comfortable seating, and technology that still holds up years later. The only real drawback is fuel economy. Its V8 isn't shy at the pump. But for drivers who want a luxury SUV that blends comfort, capability, and legendary reliability, the GX 460 is one of the best options available. 2017 Acura MDX. This three-row SUV has long been a favorite for families who want both luxury and peace of mind. The 2017 MDX came with a proven 3.5-liter V6 engine, the same type of motor that Honda and Acura have built their reputation on. With proper maintenance, these engines are known to pass 200,000 miles with ease, which is why mechanics often recommend the MDX as one of the most dependable luxury SUVs in its class. On the road, it delivers a smooth and comfortable ride, with enough power for highway driving and plenty of confidence in bad weather, especially with the available all-wheel drive. Inside, the MDX feels upscale, with quality materials, a quiet cabin, and 3 rows of seating that make it ideal for families or anyone needing extra space. If there's a drawback, it's that the infotainment system feels a bit complicated compared to rivals. But aside from that, the 2017 MDX is a blend of reliability, practicality, and luxury that makes it one of the smartest choices you can make in the premium SUV market. 2014 Lexus LS 460. This flagship sedan proves that luxury and reliability can truly go hand in hand. The 2014 LS 460 is powered by a naturally aspirated V8 engine that is widely praised for its smooth performance and exceptional durability. Many of these sedans easily cross the 200,000 mile mark, and mechanics often call it one of the most reliable full-size luxury cars ever built. On the road, the LS delivers exactly what you'd expect from Lexus's top-tier sedan: quiet, refined, and incredibly comfortable. 2015 Mercedes-Benz E350. This midsize luxury sedan has earned a reputation as one of the most dependable cars in the Mercedes lineup. The 2015 E350 is powered by a naturally aspirated V6 engine, a simpler and more durable setup compared to some of the turbocharged engines in other German models. Mechanics often point to this version of the E-Class as a smart choice because it can deliver both elegance and reliability when properly maintained. On the road, the E350 feels composed and confident. The suspension offers a smooth ride that soaks up bumps while still keeping the car stable through corners. Owners appreciate its blend of comfort and control, making it ideal for both long highway drives and daily commuting. Inside, the cabin is everything you'd expect from a Mercedes: high-quality leather, wood accents, and a quiet, refined atmosphere. If there's a drawback, it's that maintenance costs are higher than Japanese luxury rivals. But compared to many other European sedans, the E350 stands out as one of the most dependable, making it a great option for buyers who want German luxury without constant repair bills. 2018 Lexus NX 300. This compact luxury SUV shows that you don't need a big vehicle to get long-lasting reliability. The 2018 NX 300 comes with a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that Lexus designed for durability, and owners often praise it for requiring little more than regular maintenance to keep running strong. Mechanics highlight it as one of the most dependable smaller luxury SUVs on the market, making it a smart buy for those who want style without stress. On the road, the NX delivers a balanced ride, comfortable enough for city streets yet composed on highways. The handling feels sharp for an SUV, and the cabin stays quiet even at higher speeds. Inside, it offers quality materials, supportive seating, and a design that feels upscale but not overcomplicated. Cargo space is practical for its size, making it a good everyday driver as well. If there's a drawback, it's that rear seat space is tighter than some competitors. But overall, the 2018 NX 300 proves you can have luxury, reliability, and efficiency all in one sleek package. 2017 Cadillac CTS. This American luxury sedan combines sharp styling with solid dependability, making it a standout choice in its class. The 2017 CTS came with several engine options, but the naturally aspirated V6 is the one mechanics most often recommend for its balance of power and reliability. With proper care, These engines can easily pass 150,000 miles and beyond, giving the CTS a reputation as one of Cadillac's most dependable modern sedans. On the road, the CTS feels athletic and engaging. The steering is precise, and the suspension is tuned for a sportier ride than many of its rivals, yet it still delivers the comfort expected from a luxury car. Drivers love its confident highway presence, while passengers enjoy a quiet and refined interior that feels premium in every detail. Inside, the cabin features high-quality materials, supportive seating, and modern technology that still feels competitive years later. The infotainment system takes a little time to get used to, but the overall build quality has proven durable. If there's a drawback, it's that rear seat space is tighter compared to other mid-size luxury sedans. Still, for buyers who want a reliable car that blends American style with strong performance, the CTS is one of the best options Cadillac has ever produced. 2017 Mercedes-Benz C300. This compact luxury sedan has been one of Mercedes-Benz's most popular models, and the 2017 C300 shows why. Powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder, it's engineered for both efficiency and reliability when properly maintained. Mechanics often note that this generation of the C-Class, especially the C300, holds up better than many expect from a German luxury car, making it a solid choice for long-term ownership. On the road, the C300 delivers a refined and composed ride. The suspension is tuned to balance comfort with agility, so it feels stable on the highway but also nimble around city streets. The cabin is where the C-Class really shines. Sleek design, high-quality materials, and advanced features that make it feel like a mini version of Mercedes' flagship sedans. The only drawback is that repair and service costs can run higher than Japanese rivals. But compared to other compact luxury sedans, the C300 stands out for combining prestige, performance, and a level of reliability that surprises even seasoned mechanics. 2016 Lincoln MKZ. This mid-size luxury sedan often flies under the radar, but the 2016 MKZ has quietly built a reputation for dependability. Sharing much of its engineering with Ford, it benefits from a proven platform and engines that are known to last with proper maintenance. Mechanics often highlight it as a smart, budget-friendly option for buyers who want a luxury badge without the constant worry of repair bills. On the road, the MKZ delivers a smooth and composed ride. The suspension is tuned for comfort, making it an excellent highway cruiser, while still feeling stable in city driving. Inside, the cabin is well appointed, with quality materials, supportive seats, and technology that was advanced for its time. Drivers also appreciate the quiet interior, which adds to the sense of refinement. If there's a drawback, it's that it doesn't offer the same brand prestige as some German rivals. But for anyone who values long-term reliability and affordable luxury, the 2016 MKZ proves you don't have to spend a fortune to drive a dependable and stylish car.